In this Assay short demo, I'll show you why using the same FQDN for subadmins might not be a good thing if you are branded. Whether you're new to creating subadmins or have some subadmin already configured in your CBS, it'll be assumed you are familiar with the Assay branding process, which this video will not cover. If you need to know how to do branding, you can watch one of our other videos available on Assay's YouTube channel. In this video, my CBS site's FQDN is demo.assay.com. This is the FQDN used by the system admin account and any of its users. Here, I'll open my browser to demo.assay.com. Notice the CBS logo in the upper left. Next, under Download, my client products are Assay OBM and Assay ACB. Now I'll log in with my superadmin system account. Fundamental CBS Setup. Under Basic System Settings, you should input your FQDN into the CBS hostname field. Here I have demo.assay.com. Say you are setting up a CBS server, and your plan is to have resellers join to manage their own backup users, but not to see other reseller accounts. You can make use of subadmin types. I have pre-existing subadmin accounts on this CBS server, AAA Worldwide and Zoltar. Here, I'll quickly show you creating a subadmin account. Click on Add New System User, select Type Subadmin, input a username, password. When you create subadmins in CBS, a requirement under hostname, you must specify a FQDN, fully qualified domain name. Here I'll input reseller.assay.com, as well as assign a user home path. Double check your settings and then save the changes. After you've saved the changes, now I'll open a new browser tab and open it to reseller.assay.com. When you create a new subadmin account, it will inherit the admin's branding properties, which the subadmin or CBS admin can customize as their own. Switching back to the CBS admin console view, opening AAA Worldwide subadmin account, we see the FQDN is staging.assay.com. If I open my browser tab to staging.assay.com, the upper left CBS logo is a globe. Since this subadmin has unique branding, the downloads displayed are the branded product names: AAA WW OBM and AAA WW ACB. Now switching back again to the CBS admin console view and selecting AAA Worldwide again. What if I now change the FQDN to demo.assay.com, which matches my CBS superadmin's FQDN? What do you think will happen? So I saved the changes, and now I log out of the system admin account. You see, I'm still on demo.assay.com, but the CBS logo in the upper left has changed to match AAA Worldwide's globe. Likewise, the downloads match AAA Worldwide's product. I'm going to log back in as the system account, and you see AAA Worldwide subadmin is still configured as demo.assay.com. Now, what about the staging.assay.com FQDN? Well, let's load that site. Oh, the CBS logo graphic has changed, as well as the download page. And looking at the owner ID under Synology, we can isolate which subadmin ID is displaying its branding, 54334. Flipping back to the CBS admin web console view, you see this fictional subadmin with the same ID number we just saw was also configured with the FQDN staging.ase.com. Because AAA Worldwide has changed its FQDN, this subadmin now assumes staging.ase.com's branding. Now, if I change AAA Worldwide's FQDN back to staging.ase.com, then because it is listed alphabetically, AAA Worldwide, its branding will now be displayed pre-CBS login. So to recap, how you configure the subadmin FQDN can have some further impact down the line. If you and your resellers will use a single standard branding, then you can make the subadmin's FQDN all the same. As each subadmin is created, regardless of specified FQDN, it will inherit the admin's branding properties as its own. However, if each reseller will have their own unique branding, it is not recommended to use the same FQDN for any of them. Each should be a unique FQDN. Why? Well, the current handling of CBS, this being version 8.5, is such that the CBS hostname value will be bound to the FQDN for the admin type account and any backup users an admin creates. The FQDN defined for a subadmin, if multiple subadmins match the same FQDN, the first subadmin named alphabetically will have their branding be available to any users who access the FQDN by web browser to download the client agents. For example, your CBS is using FQDN of demo.ase.com. Then you create subadmin AAA Worldwide. It uses the same FQDN demo.ase.com. Because AAA Worldwide is alphabetically first, when you access the URL and download any agents, the branding will be of AAA Worldwide. The branding for admin ASE CBS, ASE OBM, and ASE ACB will only be seen after those users have logged in, but not pre-login. Now let's say in the future you create another subadmin, AAA 123. Because it is alphabetically first now its branding will be available pre-login, thus changing any past behavior you and your users have known. So, be careful when you set up the FQDN for subadmins. If they will have unique branding, then each subadmin should have their own unique FQDNs. If you have any further questions, you can open an ASE support ticket. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on ASE's partner portal and on ASE's YouTube channel.